boys! This is the second I Am International video on my YouTube channel. I will only speak English during this video, so if you cannot understand the English language, I should advise you to go over there to the info card, which I will probably forget to add, and watch another video. So today I want to tell you what is wrong. Actually, I have been sick the last few days. Really terrible. Something was wrong with my lungs. I probably had cancer. I was all day long sick. Like, for example, if you want to know, I am struggling right now. I have the biggest struggle of mankind. I need to learn. And I'm recording this instead of learning because I don't want to learn. Wait, I need to look like I am a professional learner because I think my father is around the house and he will beat me up if I don't learn. Never mind that. So I want to give you a short example of how it looked when I was sick. I was just all day long doing my everyday stuff like learning, standing around in my room. But most of the time I was really productive because I learned or I read the books. I am sick. That is the official version, but how it looked like was a As you could see, I was really sick. I was on the verge of death. I nearly died. So I think we should just enjoy that I'm still alive and I'm out of breath. Goodbye. Why aren't you gerade? Why aren't you gerade? Why aren't you gerade?